Hello YouTubers, Paul here, your channel host, welcome to my channel. Well, I'm a bit gutted now. It's 10 to 9, nearly 10 to 9 in the morning, Sunday morning, the 4th of March. And look, it's actually raining. So I don't know how much longer the snow will last. It started snowing a little bit this morning, but around about 6ish, but it's turning to rain slowly, so it's warming up eventually now. Bit gutted. I'd love to live in this type of weather permanently. But what I was going to say was this beast from the east, as it's been named by the weather forecasters, does not sound like something from the Rocky movies. In the yellow corner, we have Rocky Balboa, and in the white corner, the beast from the east. New Rocky movie. Anyway, I'm going to get going. And see you later, YouTubers. And what I'll do is I'll leave you with a view of the slowly melting snow. See you later, YouTubers. See you later, YouTubers.